Hello dear students, welcome to computer class. In the last class, we have drawn this picture through different tools. Today, we are going to learn about the tabs in Paint. I am reading this from the book page number 49. Tabs in Paint. Tabs are present in the ribbon as shown below. File, Home, View. The different tabs are File, Home, View. Let us learn about the commands available in File tab. Yes. So students, there are three tabs present in Paint program. The first one is the File tab, the second one is the Home tab, and the third one is the View tab. These tabs are in the ribbon. Let me show you. This is the Paint screen and you can see this is the ribbon, tabs and groups. This portion is called ribbon. So there are three tabs here. You can see File, Home and View. Let us read about this File tab first. So let's move to the next page, page number 50, and let us read about File tab. File tab. When you click the File tab, the File menu appears. Some of the File menu options are New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Exit. Yes. So what it means? It means when you are clicking on the File tab here, then this file menu appears. This is called File menu. You can see it is written here, File menu. What is File menu? This is the File menu. When you are clicking on the File tab, one menu appears. This menu is called File menu, and this menu is having many options. Few are New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Exit and some more. Now let us move about the first option, that is New. Before started reading, let me show you on Paint program. This is the File tab. I am clicking here and now you can see this is File menu. New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Exit and many more options are here. Now let's read about the first option, that is New. Opening a new drawing area. You draw pictures in blank sheets. Whenever you want to draw a new picture, you take a new drawing sheet. Similarly, you need a new blank drawing area to draw a new picture in Paint. Suppose I have drawn some circles here. Now I want to draw another drawing. Then how I can draw? I cannot draw another drawing on this page. I want a new page. So click on File tab and then click on New. This is the new file. So whenever you have completed one drawing and you need the another drawing sheet, you have to click on New option. Let's read the steps. To open a new drawing area, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the File tab at the top left corner of the screen. The File menu appears. Let's move. Click here, File tab and then New option. Click on the File tab. Now step 2. Click on the New option. Your new drawing area is in the Paint is ready for use. So you can click on new, and then you will get a new drawing space. You will get a new drawing space. This is the new drawing space. Let me show you. Suppose in this sheet you have drawn square. Now you don't like this. You want to draw another painting. Then you have to change the sheet. How? Click on File tab, take the new one. Click Don't Save. Okay, now this is the new. This is the new drawing space for you. Now, after drawing, what is your work? Your work is to save the painting. Whatever you have drawn, you have to save it. So, let's start reading for saving. Suppose you want to store the drawing that you have made. What will you do? You have to store it in your computer. Storing work in the computer is called saving. What is storing? Saving your document is called saving. Storing the work in the computer is called saving. You can save your work in the Paint using Save option present in the File menu. So how to use the Save option? To save a file in Paint, follow the given steps. Click on File tab, the File menu appears, and then click the Save option. A new window called Save As dialog box appears. This is the Save As dialog box. This is the Save As. Here it is written Save As. This is the Save As dialog box. Now in the file name text box, write the name you want to give to your work. Here you have to write the name of your file. Step 4, click the Save button and your file is saved. After typing the name, you have to click on Save button. Now I am showing you practically in Paint program. I am just making a drawing using a circle, another circle, another circle, another circle. See, I am going to make a caterpillar like this. Straight line. This is the caterpillar I have drawn. Now I want to save my work. I have drawn it. Now I want to save it. Let me make the face. Yes, this is the caterpillar. Now I want to save it. So I have to click on File tab, Save option. Now this Save As dialog, see the name here, Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. You have to click, you have to write the name of your file. Suppose I am writing caterpillar. Now you have to click on Save button. Now my file is saved as caterpillar. You can see the name of the file here on the title bar at the top of the screen. See, it is caterpillar, my file name. So by using the save option, we can save our work. For today, I am going to stop the class. So you read the page number 49, 50 and 51. Thank you and have a nice day.